everyone, I'm Dr.Sadaf and today I'm going to be discussing genetics. Well, for school students, topics like population genetics, natural selection, and species evolution, the best one would be crash course. For other topics for school students like mitosis, meiosis, translation, transcription, Punnett squares, etc., the best one would be Professor Dave's Explains. It's a new lecture, but I think it's really good. For my students who would like a lecture in Hindi, for Indian students who prefer Hindi language, PMT biology is very good. Also, learn to do the pedigree analysis from Shomu's biology. I think they've done a great job. For undergraduate students, meiosis should be done by Dr. Najeeb. Why? Because he doesn't only explain meiosis, he also clarifies the doubts you are going to have later. Armando hasudungan for mitosis. For epigenetics, Shomu's biology and Armando hasudungan. Well, for everything else in genetics, be it epistasis or MPLA, FISH, PCR, Sanger sequencing, next-gen sequencing, you name it, Shomu's biology will nail it. I think we should all watch a video on epigenetics on TED Talk, Nature versus Nurture. It's a very interesting video. It's worth a watch. I will do a separate video on lysosomal storage disease. So if you like my video and you find it useful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.